should have killed you a long time ago. But if it had not been for the Lord who is on my side, I wish I could get happy. Where would I be? Some things should have killed you in 2006. But if it had not been for the Lord who is on my side, y'all acting too cute. If it had not been for the Lord, you carried it in 2006, and then you carried it in 2007, and then you carried it in 2008, and then you thought you got rid of it in 2009, but it came back up again, and then you carried it in 2010, and you prayed and you prayed and you prayed, and you sought God and you fasted, and you put it before the Lord, but it still was on your back. I feel like preaching my socks off. And then in 2011, as things began to war in the spirit realm, things began to attack you, but you put your faith and trust in the Lord, and you begin to ask God, how long do I have to deal with this? And then 2012 came along. I'm not getting anybody to preach with the pastor. Came along and you said, this is it, my miracle is this year. But then the clock struck 12, and it was 2013, and it still feels that the burden is still on my back. But the devil is a liar. I'm not waiting to touch the hem of his garment. Hold on. I'm not waiting to touch no hem. I'm not waiting to get to church and have the pastor pray for me. I'm not waiting for some sort of a supernatural miracle, because I heard the Lord say the very fact that you've held it for so long indicates that you already are a walking miracle. Have I said touch your neighbor yet? All right. Touch your neighbor and say, neighbor. Grab your neighbor by the hand and say, neighbor. Say, oh neighbor. The very fact that you've been dealing with this for so long is just an indication that you're real blessed. How many blessed believers in the house today? I came to encourage somebody that you went through the divorce and the pain hit you so hard, and you've been dealing with this for such a long time, but I heard the Lord say, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. How would you know about comfort unless you begin to walk in darkness? How would you know about peace unless something came to destroy your mind? How would you know anything about love unless you've been hated for a season? But I came to let somebody know that your season is just about over. All right, we might as well have church now. Ooh, grab your neighbor by the hand and shake it like you're about to shake it off, and said, we went through some stuff over the past 2012. We had some issues in 2012. I almost died in 2012. I lost my job in 2011. I went through some trials and some tribulations. I almost lost my mind, my church make it, but I'm still here.